scary stuff is when they try to make them better. Right? That's gain of function research. That's wild shit. And that's the shit that the Obama administration shut down.
Yeah.
I believe it was 2014. They shut it down.
Did they?
Supposedly. But then, the Trump administration came along, and according to Josh Rogan is a journalist. I think he's for the Washington Post, right? He was on the podcast explaining it, that they restarted gain of function research. It's the exact
so
same
Fauci
place.
wasn't doing that. I thought Obama was part of that, and he was like visiting those.
Well, I think when he visited, he was like, "What the fuck are we doing?"
Really?
I think he put the kibosh on it. Let's Google that. I'm pretty sure the Obama administration put the kibosh on gain of function research, and then it became a question of what exactly is gain of function research, right? And that was those arguments that Rand Paul had with Fauci when they were arguing. You do not, with all due respect, you do not
Fauci,
know what you are talking about.
Wow.
Yeah, and they were going back and forth in this very fascinating way. Because the problem is the term. I almost wish they'd abandoned the term that Rand Paul had said, okay, did you or did you not take viruses and make it so they're more effective in infecting human beings? And did you or did you not develop them on human lung cultures? Did you or did you not do that? Did you or did you not alter viruses to make them more infectious,
Deadlier,
capable of infecting human beings? Did you do that? What kind of stuff did you do to viruses? Tell us what you did. Don't call it gain of function research. Let's call it abracadabra. Yeah. What abracadabra did you do to the virus?
Perfect term.
Did someone do abracadabra? Did you give someone money to do abracadabra? Forget about gain of function. Let's just say this thing where you're manipulating viruses. Let's just call it abracadabra. Did we do that? Did we spend money? Did we spend taxpayers' money? Okay, 2017. On December 19, 2017, the U.S. National Institutes of Health announced that they would resume funding gain-of-function experiments. Right. So this is during the Trump administration. So the moratorium had been in place since October 2014. Right. So that's it. So during the Obama administration in October of 2014, they went, let's stop doing this. At the time, the NIH had stated that the moratorium, in quotes, will be effective until a robust and broad deliberative process is completed that results in the adoption of a new U.S. government gain-of-function research policy. What? That seems like, read that statement again. Will be effective until a robust and broad deliberative process is completed that results in the adoption of a new U.S. government gain-of-function research policy. So that means they were planning on restarting it no matter what. That's what the NIH stated. So they were like, until we meet again. That's basically what they said.
Just hold on. We'll get the funding.